guys, welcome back to the channel.
We got a bunch done on our stolen street glide off camera. Been pretty busy here at the car lot lately. I'd like to do a walk around real quick and show you everything that we've done. We left off on the last video with our parts bike frame cut in half, and me and a few buddies picked up the drivetrain and wrestled it into this frame, and I've just kind of messed with it here and there. But I'd like to go ahead and give you a quick overview of what we got done and what we have left to do, and hopefully try to start it today if it's a runner. We'll see. I did convert the bike to fuel injection. It originally had a carbureted motor on the other one, but since our tank is fuel injected and I had a leftover throttle body off of another bike, I popped it on there and found some sensors, got enough to make it work. We did use our old exhaust. It does have a little dent in the front up here, but I don't think it's enough to make any of that matter. And our tank had some paint chips in it, so I just got it back from the painter yesterday. I'm about to put gas in it right now, and we've had our battery on the charger. I've changed all the fluids in it, and about to attempt our first start on it. So we'll go ahead and put some gas in it first and see if the battery's got enough juice to spin it over. We'll go ahead and prime the tank a couple times.
Think it's gonna crank? What's your thoughts? What are you feeling?
I think it's gonna crank and smoke a lot because all the oil that we had the engine on its side, so it'll probably have a bunch of smoke in it. Hoping it doesn't, but we'll see. All right. It runs pretty good. It runs a lot better than the carbureted motor. I say we go ahead and put the dash back on it, pop the seat on it, and we'll get it outside and pin our bags on it, take it for a spin, see how it does. Oh, and no judgment if any of y'all noticed on my clutch cable, I still got to pull the outer fairing off and route it back through. This is just temporary running it down through there. So we were able to save our old seat off the parts bike, so that saved us a couple $100, and it's a pretty good looking little seat too. So I went ahead and ordered us a cheap pair of stretch saddlebags. I know they're not the right color, but they're both dark. It'll look good, and it's better than selling it without any bags at all. So. Alright, I said we go ahead and take it for a test spin and see how it rides. It's got a little bit of exhaust leak in the front. I think I just need to re-snug that up, but it runs and drives great. Alright, so we're moving over to our new project. This is a '08 Electric Glide, so it's got the 96-inch motor with the 6-speed, and this is exactly how I bought it from insurance auction. So my assumption is it got hit in the back and damaged some of the saddlebags and fender and stuff. I'm assuming it went to a shop to get fixed. They just took the stuff off and ended up totaling it. But this is how we bought it. No keys, no running drive, nothing, but it has no battery, and I had found the keys right here. So first things first, before we start to go put any money into it, we're going to go ahead and pop a battery in it and see if we can get it started. Fingers crossed. Got fuel working.
Is it good time?
Cool. Even came with a full tank of gas too. So I had already bought a rear stretch fender and bags for another project that ended up falling through. So this will work out perfect for that. And of course I'm going black. That's the only way we do it. So I guess I need to go ahead and get the bike apart, get the tank, the fender, and the side covers over to paint, and let's go ahead and get it apart. So we get a lot of comments asking about how much we're in the bikes for and the price point and everything that we're buying them at. I got a pretty good deal on this one because it was a not running drive, no keys, and there was parts missing, all of which I pretty much have left over from other projects and stuff. But I bought this for, I think I won it for $2,500 plus fees. So after transport and fees, I think I'm at like $3,250 in it right now, which is a great deal on a 96-inch bike with a 6-speed transmission. That doesn't happen. And a real big plus is it already has 14-inch apes. Already all done and everything. I mean, that saves $600-700 just in parts right there with all the cables and everything. So that was a big plus. But once we get all done, finish buying our parts and doing the paint and everything, I'll go ahead and give an overview and a summary on everything I have in the bike, all said and done. So these newer tanks are a lot, the 08 and up tanks are a lot easier to get off than the 07 and down ones. These don't have a crossover in the front where you have to drain all the fuel. You just have the one disconnect for your fuel line, and that's it. Go ahead and remove these side covers. Oh man, that's tough. That's tough. So the outer fairing, I went ahead and just ordered it, or I'm going to go ahead and just order us a black one because it's cheaper to buy a new one black than it is to have it painted. But we'll go ahead and get it pulled off real quick too. Yes, we can go ahead and take the front fender off. Yep. Alright. Before I get this last bolt out, I'm going to go ahead and unclip our Fender Tip Light. It's about to be not family friendly. In just a second. Ah.
Okay guys, I think he's at a good stopping point right here, so we're going to go ahead and end the video. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, y'all.
Adios.